Starting your photography journey requires a camera that's easy to use, yet delivers stunning results. The best camera for starters combines user-friendly controls, sharp image quality, and helpful features that make learning photography exciting and effortless from the very first shot. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aboobu 5K Digital Camera. The Aboobu 5K digital camera stands out as an impressive option for beginners ready to explore high-quality photography and vlogging. With its advanced IMX386 sensor and 64-megapixel resolution, this camera captures every detail with stunning precision and vibrant color accuracy. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the 5K output ensures clarity that rivals even more expensive models. The camera's built-in time-lapse, slow motion, and pause functions make it easy for users to get creative without relying on external editing tools. Beginners will especially appreciate how intuitive and responsive this camera feels, making professional-looking results achievable without steep learning curves. Equipped with a 6x optical zoom, autofocus, and anti-shake features, the Aboobu camera ensures sharp, blur-free images even when capturing distant or moving subjects. Its dual lens setup allows smooth switching between front and rear perspectives, perfect for both photography and vlogging. The LED flash, exposure compensation, ISO controls, and creative filters open up plenty of flexibility to shoot in diverse lighting conditions. Another advantage is its generous bundle, a 64GB TF card and 2 high-capacity batteries, ensuring long shooting sessions without interruption.
Number 2. Yatao Digital Camera. The Yatao digital camera is a smart choice for beginners who want a balance of quality, portability, and affordability. With its 64-megapixel sensor and dual-lens design, it captures detailed photos with rich colors and crisp textures. The wide-angle lens allows you to frame sweeping landscapes or group shots, while the macro lens is perfect for detailed close-ups of flowers, textures, or small subjects. Capable of recording up to 6K Ultra HD video, this compact vlogging camera is ideal for YouTube content creators or anyone who wants cinematic quality footage without carrying bulky gear. The 16x digital zoom adds flexibility for distant subjects, and its lightweight body makes it a perfect companion for travel photography. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive 180-degree flip screen, which makes it simple to compose selfies or record yourself while vlogging. Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app control allow for instant sharing on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, keeping your workflow smooth and social media ready. Despite its professional features, the Yatao camera remains very user-friendly, with easy navigation and quick setup. Its budget-friendly price doesn't mean cutting corners either. The package includes a 64GB memory card, a lens hood, a microphone for clear audio recording, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a carrying strap.
Number 3. IGXHAVIZ 8K Digital Camera. For beginners who want professional-level results without the steep learning curve, the IGXHAVIZ 8K digital camera delivers an outstanding combination of power, quality, and convenience. It records in Ultra HD 8K, ensuring breathtaking detail and cinematic video quality that's rarely found in entry-level models. The 6-axis stabilization system keeps every shot steady, reducing camera shake and providing smooth, professional-looking footage, even during movement or handheld shooting. With its impressive 88MP sensor and fast autofocus, it captures crystal-clear images rich in texture and color, ideal for both still photography and video creation. The 16x digital zoom adds versatility, allowing users to shoot distant subjects with precision. Its dual lens setup makes switching between front and rear cameras seamless, a major advantage for vloggers who frequently alternate between filming themselves and the environment. The 3.2-inch touchscreen display offers easy navigation and precise framing, enhancing the shootable experience for beginners. As a webcam, it also supports live streaming and video calls, ideal for content creators or online meetings. With Wi-Fi connectivity and HDMI output, users can quickly transfer photos, review 8K footage on larger screens, or share instantly via the ViPulse app. Number 4. Saneen Digital Camera. The Saneen Digital Camera is an excellent entry-level choice for anyone eager to step into photography or vlogging with confidence. Featuring 4K video resolution and a 64MP sensor, it produces crisp, vibrant images and videos across various shooting modes. Users can choose from multiple video resolutions ranging from 720p to 4K and photo options up to 64MP, ensuring flexibility for both creative and casual shooting. The large 4.0-inch touchscreen makes navigating menus simple and intuitive, while the dual lens design allows for effortless switching between the front and rear cameras, perfect for selfies or vlogs. The Saneen camera also doubles as a webcam, making it an ideal all-around tool for YouTubers or remote professionals. Its pause function is particularly useful, letting you continue recording within the same file, eliminating the hassle of stitching clips together later. Wi-Fi and HDMI support enable instant sharing or playback on a TV, keeping your workflow modern and connected. The included accessories add significant value: a 32GB SD card, lens hood, carrying bag, lanyard, USB cable, and a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. Saneen even provides a 12-month warranty and 30-day return policy for peace of mind. Number 5. VJIANGER Digital Camera. The VJIANGER digital camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly option ideal for photography enthusiasts and vloggers alike. Boasting 64-megapixel image resolution and 16x digital zoom, it captures vivid photos and high-quality videos effortlessly. This camera comes ready to use with a 32GB SD card included, allowing you to start shooting right away. The 52mm wide-angle and macro lenses expand creative possibilities, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or up-close details of nature. Its Wi-Fi feature is a major advantage, enabling users to connect directly to smartphones for remote control or instant sharing on social platforms. Beginners will find this function particularly useful for capturing group shots or managing uploads seamlessly. The manual focus capability adds a professional touch, giving you precise control over your shots, ideal for learning photography fundamentals. The VJIANGER also serves as a webcam, perfect for live streaming, video conferencing, or YouTube recording. The 1/4-inch standard tripod mount ensures stable shooting setups, and its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere. The combination of easy operation, reliable autofocus, and multiple shooting modes allows new photographers to grow their skills without frustration. Overall, the VJIANGER digital camera delivers the perfect mix of quality, convenience, and functionality, making it one of the best budget-friendly options for starters eager to express their creativity and capture moments in outstanding clarity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.